Welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Today I'm going to show you something that you might find interesting. I found out about this from a vendor at the National Restaurant Association show, and it was Scott's Farms, and the spokesman for Scott's Farms was talking about sweet potato water. And he told me the health benefits. I don't remember all of them, but he said that the water has a lot of the vitamins from the sweet potatoes. And so, I just did all the videos on purple sweet potato pie, purple mashed potatoes. And so I boiled the potatoes to cook them, and I have the water. And so I'm going to try the water right now. So I have the pot here. The water has cooled down. And I'm going to ladle some over ice. Okay, it's kind of scary because it looks green. It looks green. I'm going to bring it closer to the camera. So it looks green. Here it goes. It's not bad. It really doesn't have a flavor. Maybe a little bit of an aftertaste, but it's not something that's bad. It's not a bad aftertaste. It's kind of a little bit of sweet potato, very, very faint. Okay. Well, I would say give sweet potato water a try. It's refreshing. This was from the purple sweet potato, but it looks green. That's interesting. But it's not bad, especially with all the health benefits. You got a lot of vitamins and minerals in this water. All right. Well, thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.